Today's simple how-to video will be showing you how to install a new gas cap. This is pretty much the same on about any vehicle. It's a little different depending on the vehicle, but most common vehicles that's in use and very on the highway today is about the same. What you want to do first is go ahead and pop this loose right here. Just pops off. Keep up with your little bitty clip. Set it to the side. Take your gas cap off. And a bad gas cap can cause you a light come on your dash, and it can cause a lot of issues. So we picked up a replacement one on eBay, and the price of this was how much, Bryce? $30. It's an OEM, ain't it? You can get cheaper ones, but it's best on stuff like gas caps and stuff to just go OEM. You will also need to remove that part, just in case it don't come with a new clip. That's the part number for this particular car. It's a Buick LeSabre. And you can see the new cap did come with a new clip, so we won't need that. Oh, much better than the one come off of it. That's how simple it is to replace your gas cap on your car. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button to show your support, and leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from every one of you guys. And until next time, I'll see you then. Thank you for watching.